Yeah, so welcome to Foreigner in the Philippines. So as I says, I'm doing the tie on the tying the wire. So if I can do it in my own, then I'll do it. So come here every afternoon, maybe 4 until 5 for an hour, and then tie it. So before I paid Balolot, but it's not done yet, and I just calculated the cost of the labor. So the digging, I cannot do it, so I let them do it. So we're almost, I think it's 80%, it's already growing, 85%, and some of them is already lapas na siya sa tie wires. So we're expecting 6 months from now, hopefully this week, since it's been raining today because we got a typhoon. So I'm gonna buy fertilizer and then fertilizer again for the second time fertilizer, so it will grow. So as I said, so at the back there is planting some of the uh, post that is not yet growing. So the one that is not, I'm not sure if it's dragon fruit or not. Those batch that is being sold to me. So I'm a little suspicious that it's not dragon fruit because this is the third batch here, but as you see, it's already growing. So we got the first batch, we got the second batch, and this is the third batch on the side. So we still have we got the fifth batch on the top, and we got the last batch there, which we're gonna planted. Hopefully we're gonna start digging tomorrow. So on that area there, I think that's more than maybe 2,000 square meter there, or 1,000 square meter that we're gonna plant the dragon fruit there. So we're gonna want the boundaries to be planted. So this area here, I think it's more than half hectare, or maybe 6,000 square meter, because we got a total area of 1.3 hectares. And I think on our side over there, that's 2,000 square meter, more than that. So in this side here, that's almost a hectare. So maybe 9,000 or 1 hectare that we planted the dragon fruit here. But on that side over there, I'm gonna show you. So that area there is still ours. There's a post there. So that's the end of our property there, and there's still some areas there that I'm planning to build a small chicken area. So the eggs the eggs on that we will, if we get visitor, that's gonna be consumption, at the same time to give away whoever needs an eggs, and also some additional income. So that's the plan. So as I says, we already have post there that we're gonna planted on that side over there. So that area there is already planted. Those posts there is already planted, and we got another batch of post to be dig, and then we got already dragon fruit cutting to plant on that area. So I think that's maybe 1,000 square meter on that side there that's gonna be planted. So it's still a lot.